Hey everybody, Mr. Justin here with the Hernando County Public Library System. If you watched our storytime video this week, we talked all about winter, where we talked about snow and it being cold, and even snowmen, which is going to be today's craft. So thank you so much for joining us for today's craft. We are going to make a snowman, and there's our snowman right there. If you would like the craft bags, you can come to one of your local branches. Again, the West Hernando branch is still temporarily closed as we have renovations going on, but you can go to any of the other branches, pick up the craft bag, and you can follow along as we make our snowman. So let's go ahead and see what is in our bag this week. First thing you see is we're going to have kind of a half sheet of paper. It's going to be blue. It's going to be the background of our snowman. We have a large cupcake liner. We have a small cupcake liner. We have a black hat. We have glue dots. We have two long brown strips that are going to be the little sticks that will be the arms of the snowman. We have two cotton balls, and then we have a few, hopefully around 9 little black pieces of paper, which will be the eyes, the smile, and the buttons on our snowman. And then, of course, we have the orange triangle that is going to be the carrot nose of our snowman. Now, the only thing that you're going to need that we don't currently have in the bag is going to be a glue stick. I do have glue dots. That's for more of the smaller objects that will go on the snowman. The larger objects, we will use the glue stick. So let's go ahead and take our blue half sheet. I'm going to put it straight onto the table, nice and flat. I'm going to take the first cupcake liner and I'm going to flatten it out. And we're going to make sure it's nice and flat so it looks like a nice big circle. And we're going to go ahead and put the glue on one of the sides of it. And put it all over because we want it all to lay nice and flat on the blue paper. So once I have the glue stick all over the cupcake liner, I'm going to take the blue sheet and I'm going to put it not directly at the bottom, but pretty close to the bottom because we're going to put some snow on the bottom of the sheet. And any place that still is kind of poking out like that, I'll go ahead and put some more glue. Make it nice and flat. So there's our first big snowball of our snowman. And our snowman is just going to have little 2 parts of his body. So the second part is going to be the smaller cupcake liner. Go ahead and do the same. Open it up, make it nice and flat. So we have a nice circle. This is going to be a smaller circle than the last one. Again, put glue stick all over one side of it. And then we are going to take the sheet again and we're going to put it kind of on top, and I like to kind of overlap it just a little bit, make it nice and flat, and there is the shape of our snowman's body. So let's go ahead and start adding different things to our snowman. Let's go ahead and start with the hat. So we're going to take the hat and let's add glue stick to the hat. And let's put it on top of his head, just like that. And there we go, very cute. And let's go ahead and do the arms. So I'm going to take one of the little sticks, I'm going to put glue on the back. I'm going to then kind of go there. This one's got long arms, but that's okay. Oops. There we go. And let's go ahead and do that with the other. So I got glue stick. And I'm going to go ahead and right here. His arms are going to be facing up just like that. So let's go ahead and get the buttons on the snowman. So I'm going to take the glue dots for this. I'm going to take one of the little black circles. I'm going to put it on top of a glue dot. I'm going to peel it off. And I'm going to put it right here on his body to get one of his buttons. And we'll do that again. Got the dot on top of the glue. Put it right here in the middle. And we got a second button. And we're going to do one more button right there. Perfect. Let's go ahead and do the eyes. So again, we're going to take a black piece of a black circle that we have, put it on a glue dot, and then we're going to put it right here to make his eye. Let's make another eye. There we go. Let's go ahead and do his nose. So get the orange piece of the orange triangle. Again, use a glue dot for this. And we'll put it right there. So what is our snowman missing on his face? He is missing his mouth. So we're going to do the same thing, where we're going to go ahead and take the little black circles, and one at a time, we are going to make the mouth of our snowman. That's the first part of his smile. We got two more. And we got one more to finish out his smile. And again, the glue dots I feel like are going to be a little easier than the glue stick on this one. And there we go. We have his mouth finished. And so now what we need to do is we need to add the snow. So we're going to take one of your cotton balls and we're going to stretch it out as long as we can make it. We'll do this one as long as we can make it. And we'll use the other one for the little pieces of snow, so that's fine. So we have a nice long part of snow. And what I'm going to do is, you can do glue stick for this, but I still have two glue dots left. So I'm going to put one glue dot down in this corner, one glue dot down in this corner, and then I'm going to put the snow on top of those glue dots so it will stick like that. You can fold this over, or you can cut that if you don't want that extra snow, but that's okay. And now we are going to make the little bits of snow. So for this, I am going to use the glue stick, and I'm going to put some little dots all over the rest of the blue background. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tear off a little bit of the cotton ball to make a little snow right there. And we're almost finished. And let's see. And there we go. Check that out. We've got a cool little fun looking snowman having fun on a winter day. And there's our two snowmen right next to each other. I hope everybody had so much fun making our snowman today. I hope it turned out really cool and really nice, just like these did. And again, please watch our science video this week, because we're continuing the theme of winter. And we got a fun science video coming up this week. But so far, I hope everybody enjoyed the snowman, and we'll see y'all later. Bye.